Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey! This is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day and welcoming you to another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. Today I have something yet again from Sau Tao. These are beef soup flavor trolley noodles. Look. Ding ding! Trolley! Yeah. So they're trolley noodles. Oh, Mimi heard me say trolley noodles. How you doing, Mimi? You do? Well, maybe I'll let you have some when they're all done cooking. That sound nice? Ooh, trolley noodle, Miles. Trolley noodle? Do you want the trolley noodle? Who doesn't want some trolley noodles? Yeah, they're the true San Francisco treat. It's not rice-a-roni, it's the trolley noodles. Anyways, how y'all doing? Hanging out in the middle of the apocalypse. And making noodles, of course. That's kind of the thing you do while you're waiting for everything to go crazy. You know it's the end of the world when the Republicans are protesting, because they tend to not like protesters. So I just don't know, but what I know that everybody likes, young and old, old and new, Republican and non-Republican, Zoroastrian and anti-disestablishmentarian, Monopoly tickets. So I got a thing for light bulbs on these things. Stoked 4 GE light bulbs. They don't have any 4-packs of GE light bulbs at the grocery store. None. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple 2-packs of light bulbs and bring them up and go, how about these? Win tickets. Well, the 2-packs are $30. So what I'm going to have to do is make sure it's one of the really nice checkout people, because they'll just go like, tea bags? I think not. Gummy bears? No. Generally not a big fan of anything gummy. I had something the other day that I loved that was gummy, but you know, these refresh ice beverages, instant win, but they're kind of nasty. Nothing. Wow, time just flies when I do this show, I swear. It's like I set that timer for 4 minutes and it's like boom. But yeah, I'm almost done with the top 10 list. I'm really happy with how the video came out. We got new music. Things are good. We're making progress. And I'm hoping top 10 Japan, top 10 cups, top 10 bowls, bottom 10. I'd really like to get all those hammered out real quick. And then there's the spicy list. I got some spicy here that I gotta get to. But I don't know that there's really going to be much movement at all on the spicy list. I'm trying to think of anything that I really had this year that was all that spicy. And last year, boy, that really kind of cleared out the old sinuses. So I don't know. Oh, got time for one last ticket. $0.50 off Alexia frozen potatoes. I could freeze my own potato if I want to, and I don't. Got our noodles. Oh, man. Fuego means fire. Fumar means smoke. Just so you know, where there's Fumar, there's Fuego. Okay, so it's going to be beef flavored trolley noodles. We'll see how this goes. I don't have any beef. I'm kind of irritated about that. But I do have eggs. I just keep saying fuego over and over in this song. Fuego! Put my tortillas to the fuego. Fuego. I don't know the Spanish very well. My favorite is when people say, "Yeah, I don't speak Mexican." It's like, it's Spanish. It's Spanish. There's no Mexican language. There might be an accent. That's the funny thing. Trolley noodles. What? You gotta have to well, you don't have to realize. What's the matter? You need help?
Yeah.
What's the matter? What's wrong? I may have to go help. My daughter is in need of help. What's wrong, Miriam? Let's find out. Oh, your puzzle? Let's try this again. Look. You gotta wait for this to go over here. Watch. Zip, and it's gonna spit out there. There you go. What do you say? You're welcome, cutie. Gotta help. She's been playing this little puzzle game that's actually a lot of fun. We've spent some time playing it. But basically, it's just like a maze, and you gotta tell things where to go. She's learning. Come on, she's 3. She'll be 4 in December. Alright, so here's what we got. For those of you who aren't keen on the tunes, I'm sorry, but gotta try new stuff. I thought maybe doing a little more world type of stuff might be more fun. Unfortunately, the Asian stuff that they have on their, what do they call it? No, 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 no. I'll help you in again in a minute, but no. Go work on it. Try. You gotta try, Mimi. That's the rules. I'll help. But you have to go and give it a good try first. She's all, damn it! Come on, let go. There you go, there you go. Did you do it? Can you say, I did it? There you go. I'm proud. I knew you could. I like it when she gets those. Yeah! Good job, sweetie pie. Okay, keep trying, okay? You'll figure out some new cool stuff. I'll help you in a little bit. Papa's got some work to do. You did it. That's right. I'm proud. Yes, she did it. That's been a thing lately. She refers to everything as she. She's a very empowered little girl.
She is not.
She refers to Miles as a she. But he's not a she, he's a he. A he. I really need to get more sesame seeds. Look at that sickness. Alright. Yeah, crummy day for light in this place. Although I do have a new light right up there. That's kind of nice.
I did it.
You did it? Good job. Alright, let's rotate. You did? Look at the clouds, Mimi. Yuck. Well, that was another good one too. That has a nice flavor. Yeah, trolley noodles. Kind of dark. I'm gonna have to put on my glasses, you know, because it's like I'm light sensitive. But I put on my other glasses for the, you know, because it's so bright for me. Ah, there we go. Gotta have my trusty glasses case to keep my glasses. This is what I keep my glasses in. Because I wear glasses and I gotta keep them protected. So I will put my glasses in here. Anyways, How you doing? This has been On's the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.